everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. It's been several days since I've said hello to you guys, and I just wanted to assure you that I am feeling much better. Not had any more brain fog incidents. I know quite a lot of you were concerned. I'm absolutely on the mend. Now that all that I'm dealing with, I'm not any confusion or anything like that. No more headaches, just my tiredness. I'm still very, very tired. I think everybody in life is tired. But again, I want to thank you for all of your concern. We have had some issues here with our dear Maxwell. He's been having some seizures. As you know, he has epilepsy. This morning, I'm a little bit drained because he had another very bad seizure. So that's ongoing, just so much badness, and we're very, very concerned about the hurricane that's going to be hitting Florida. Prayers have people get out of the area because it seems to be going to be a whopper of a natural disaster on the heels of Hurricane Helene, which has done terrible damage. So lots of badness around, but I didn't want to again, I don't want to be negative about that, but everybody's dealing with something. But I just wanted to share with you the two projects that I'm working on. You know, I was working on this orange peel quilt. I was trying to put my thinking cap on about adding another fabric, and I've decided upon a striped border fabric. It's going to be a very large quilt, and while I was debating and showcasing different fabrics that I was wanting to come up with, which is this border fabric here. I don't know if you could see it. I decided, I had gone on Pinterest, I don't know, and I was scrolling through and I found a quilt that I thought, oh, I think that's so awesome. 3/4 of the work is done for me, and I'll put up a picture here of the quilt top that I just finished. I'm now actually quilting this quilt with just a meandering quilt. It is, again, hopefully you can see the image that I've put up. This quilt is probably one of the least expensive quilts I've ever made, and the reason I'm doing this is I wanted to share in the economy that we are finding ourselves in with the cost of several videos ago, the cost of fabric, the cost of actual quilting. Wow, that's a motorcycle. This quilt is made with 12 bandanas, okay? 12 bandanas, and then it ends up a quilt that measures about 54 by 72 inches. 12 bandanas and some backing fabric and batting. Now, I had gotten my bandanas at Hobby Lobby here in America, a craft store. The bandanas are 99 cents a piece at Hobby Lobby. A lot of other places you get bandanas for $1 or $2, maybe even $2.50. But at Hobby Lobby, they're 99 cents. So for this quilt top, I spent $12, which is unheard of. So a bandana is measuring 22 inches square approximately, needing 12 of them. So that means this fabric, which isn't the best quality cotton, absolutely not the best quality cotton, but it would average about $4 a yard. Having said that about the quality of the bandanas, what I did do, which brought the cost up, I backed my bandanas with a fusible interfacing, a lightweight fusible stabilizing interfacing, to give the bandanas a little bit more body, a little bit more weight. They are cotton bandanas, and I use the fusible interfacing to stabilize the fabric, which has made it really quite super. This quilt is absolutely lovely. So I wanted to experiment, and as you can see, the bandana fabric, all the same pattern, 3 different colorways, make this fabulously gorgeous, intricate pattern the way it's laid out. Now, this is not my pattern. I am using a pattern, a free pattern from Pinterest, and this is from Create with Claudia. She had put this free pattern, Create with Claudia. If you go to Pinterest or createwithclaudia.com, you can actually see the pattern. It's free, but I'm giving her credit. It is not my pattern whatsoever. But what you need is 6 22-inch square white bandanas, 2 of the turquoise, 4 of the pink. Those were the colorways. I chose to do mine in like a cream background, the like peachy color, and then a tie-dyed bandana that I got from Hobby Lobby. And again, as you can see the picture, the quilt top here. Again, I'm just finishing it with a lovely meandering stitch, and I put a super colorful backing on it. I had 2 different, I didn't have enough fabric, so I've done 2 different fabrics. This real colorful fabric to go with like the tie-dyed look. So that's what I'm working on, and it's worked up so quickly. Now the reason I'm saying this is if I need a very, very quick, inexpensive gift for like a picnic quilt or for a little kid, again, I'm emphasizing it's not the most fabulous material, but it's done, it's effective, and I'm sure with a stabilizer, this is going to wash up fine, like bandanas would in this country. So that is what I'm working on. I was just itching to do something other than getting stuck in my very, very large orange peel quilt, which I will be quilting myself. But as I said, I'm back in my sewing room doing these smaller projects. This lovely quilt that I can just put together. I just really like it a lot. I really like it a lot. And I would suggest that if you're interested, going to Create with Claudia, excuse me, and actually see the pattern. I will be doing a tutorial on how I put this quilt together from very beginning, what I'm going to purchase, 12 more bandanas, $12 more for my bandanas. Again, I would highly recommend, as she does, you stabilizing the bandanas, and that fusible iron-on interfacing can be a little bit expensive. So you have to calculate that cost into your quilt, and of course if you have backing. And I'm using a Warm and Plush from the Warm Company, Warm and Plush batting, which is a heavier, lovely, thicker batting. But all in all, it'll make up a fairly inexpensive quilt. So I'm just so thrilled. I will be showing you this quilt, and then I will be showing you how I'm going to make another one from start to finish. It'll be probably several videos to show you how I made this quilt. Again, not my idea. Claudia, very clever to come up with this. I just needed to take my mind off badness in the world. lots of not that nice things going on. Our dear Maxwell, not very nice. He's not very well, and that has Ian and I and the family very concerned that it keeps going on. He's changed his medication as an adult. He's now 25 years old, and it's not working all that well. So just keep Maxwell in your thoughts. I really appreciate it. and I let him know. He wanted to do a video the other day, and I wasn't up to it at all. So never the twain shall meet there, but he'll be back to say hello. And yeah, and I'm in my sewing room trying to immerse myself into some more creative endeavors here while we all deal with what's going on in the world. So thank you so much for all of your concern and all of your prayers for me. And I am feeling much better, just getting tired now, but everything is sort of clearing up from this long COVID. I'm just taking it steady. Thank you so much, folks. All of our love from the Trueloves. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.